So last week, one of my students came to me and told that, ma'am, I really need to improve my English language skills. Then I asked him that, are you sure about it? So he told me that, ma'am, definitely. So I told him that you come on that day when you are sure about this and when you really want to improve your English skills. So he told that, okay, ma'am, surely I will come. And the next day itself, he came with a determination that he really wants to improve his English language skills. So I asked him that jot down the points on your notebook that you really want to work upon related to English language skills. And you won't believe what he mentioned. He mentioned 5 points. So the first point that he mentioned was pronunciation. Then he mentioned voice modulation. Then he mentioned vocabulary. Then he mentioned confidence. And then he mentioned how to think in English. Now, just imagine when you will go through all these points, he mentioned that how to think in English at the last stage. And actually, he came to me to work upon this fifth point, which is how to think in English. But before that, he was struggling with these four major areas. And I was surprised, though I didn't tell him that, the skill that you really want to work upon, you mentioned that skill in the last. But I understood. Then I told him only one technique that can help him to excel at all these five skills. And trust me, if you are going to do that technique as well. So before knowing to that part, welcome to my channel. I'm your English coach, Dr. Shruti Soni. And if you're new to my channel, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notifications of my future video. And do not forget to like, share, comment on this video and share your experience and thoughts as well. So let's get started with that magical technique. And as usual, I always tell you people that you need to promise me that you are going to do this technique for the continuous 21 days because we form our habit in 21 days. So you have to do it. So make sure that you are going to promise on that part. And what is that technique? That technique is 21 days writing challenge. Yes, that is writing challenge. And wait, do not get afraid of and do not forward or do not go back from this video, because if I'm talking about the writing challenge, it is not going to be that boring writing challenge, because whenever you adapt writing as a mode of practice to improve your English language skills, then what are the areas that you are going to cover? Let me tell you that part. So the first, that it is going to enhance your vocabulary and grammar. And second, that it will help you to improve your sentence structure and coherence. It is going to develop your critical thinking and analytical skills. It will improve your pronunciation. Yes, I'm going to tell you this part, that how it is going to improve your pronunciation as well. And it is going to boost your confidence and communication. So these five major areas, just imagine this includes in just writing part. So before that, you need to commit that at least you need to spend 15 to 20 minutes on this writing challenge and how you're going to do that. So before going to your bed, maintain one diary, your personal diary. And whenever you go to your bed, make sure that you will take that diary and write down what you have done in your whole day. Let me give you some examples as well. You have taken the diary. Now you need to narrate your whole day. कि आप जब उठे, सुबह कितने बजे उठे, ठीक है? जब उठे तो आप अपने पलंग से उठे, आपने जमीन पे अपने पैर रखे. Now how you are going to translate these daily activities in English? That is a task. That you wake up at 7 a.m. Then you get out of your bed. पलंग से बाहर निकलने को गेट आउट कहते हैं और गेट ऑफ भी कह सकते हैं. एंड when I said कि आपने जमीन पे अपने पैर रखे, तो उसको अपन कैसे कहेंगे? There are various ways you can say this. For example, I have put down my feet on the floor, or you can say I have kept my feet on the floor. अब आपको कहना है कि मैं बाथरूम की तरफ जा रहा हूँ या जा रही हूँ. I am going towards the bathroom. मैं बाथरूम के अंदर गया या गई. I entered in the bathroom. फिर मैंने टूथब्रश उठाया. I took my toothbrush. मैंने उस पे टूथपेस्ट लगाया. I put some toothpaste on my brush and then I brushed my teeth. So this is the daily activity that we do, and this is what you need to learn. Daily life vocabulary. Now just pause for 5 seconds. I'm going to put down 10 sentences of our daily life activities and you try to translate them in English. And here we go with these 10 sentences. Now, how many of you actually able to solve these Hindi sayings into English? Just imagine. You can check the description box below. I have mentioned all the translation in the description for your better understanding. So this is what we need to learn, that how we can describe our day life activity. Another point that you need to take care of, that please write without worry of any grammatical concept, spelling mistakes. ये नहीं सोचना कि मैं grammatically सही sentence लिख रहा हूँ नहीं लिख रहा हूँ, मैं कोई spelling mistake कर तो नहीं रहा हूँ. You are not supposed to worry about all these things because अभी आपका target correct English लिखना नहीं है, अभी आपका target है लिखना. Because जब आप लिखना start करेंगे, जैसे मैंने बोला पहले दिन for example आपने एक पेज लिखा, दूसरे दिन 2 पेजेस 3 पेजेस, इस तरीके से जब लिखेंगे, your thought, हम बोल रहे हैं ना कि हम कैसे सोचें इंग्लिश में, how to think in English, you will be able to see that one day 2 days 3 days हर दिन पे आपका जो थॉट प्रोसेस है इंग्लिश में सोचने का, वो दिन पे दिन बढ़ता जा रहा है. वन मोर थिंग दैट यू कैन डू, फॉर एग्जाम्पल व्हेन यू आर राइटिंग, इफ यू आर स्ट्रगलिंग विद एनी पर्टिकुलर वर्ड कि इस पर्टिकुलर वर्ड को हम इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं, डेफिनेटली यू कैन टेक द हेल्प ऑफ गूगल टू फाइंड द करेक्ट वर्ड और वोकैबुलरी फॉर दैट activity. Now, coming to the point that how you will improve your pronunciation and voice modulation. So once you are done with the writing, what you need to do, you need to take that writing and you need to read aloud. Yes, and when you will read that page, you will be working upon your pronunciation and voice modulation. So again, if you are struggling with the pronunciation of any particular word that you have written, और किसी word के pronunciation में आप sure नहीं है, definitely you can take the help of Google or any e-dictionary. इससे you will improve your pronunciation. तो अब इस टेक्निक में भी आपको किसी और की जरूरत नहीं है. Now coming back to voice modulation. So जब आप उसको तेज से पढ़ेंगे, you will be able to know कि आपकी पिच कितनी हाई है, कितनी लो है, आपकी जो आवाज है, जो आपकी वॉइस है, वो एनर्जेटिक है कि वो फ्लैट टोन है. सो दैट यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड, बिकॉज वॉइस मॉड्यूलेशन में दीज ओनली 2 मेजर पार्ट्स आर important, your tone and your pitch. Along with that, I would also suggest you that you can keep one personal cheerleader. So when you are going to keep a personal cheerleader, that person will give you the correct feedback कि तुम किस हिसाब से जा रहे हो. But I know that you are going to face some challenges as well. Now, what are those challenges and how you are going to overcome them? So the first challenge, and ये सबसे ज्यादा कॉमन है, इसलिए आधे से ज्यादा लोग अपनी इस जर्नी को ऐसी की ऐसी बीच में छोड़ देते क्योंकि they have certain blockages और lack of motivation. क्योंकि वैसे तो हमारे पास बहुत ज्यादा टाइम है, we can spare our time like in all the entertainments and hanging around with friends. लेकिन when it comes to learn something, when it comes to skill, क्योंकि इंग्लिश हमें अगर सुधारनी तो हमें इंग्लिश में कुछ ना कुछ करना पड़ेगा. So that makes the momentum very tedious. This is the reason why I mentioned that you can keep a personal diary, because there your emotions are involved. आपके इमोशंस इसमें इन्वॉल्व हैं, एंड वंस आवर इमोशंस विल बी इन्वॉल्व, यू विल नॉट फील मोनोटोनस, आपको आलस नहीं आएगा, मोटिवेशन भी आपका बना रहेगा. सो व्हाट आर द टाइनी मेथड्स दैट यू कैन डू टू ओवरकम दीज चैलेंजेस? इफ यू फील, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल आप लिखने बैठे हो अभी और आपको मोटिवेशन नहीं आ रहा लिखने का, सो यू कैन टेक अ ब्रेक. आप फोन चला लीजिए, पानी पी लीजिए, चाय पी लीजिए, कॉफी पी लीजिए, घूम लीजिए, बट कम बैक अगेन एंड राइट अगेन. अगर 10 मिनट लिखते हैं तो 10 मिनट की जगह 5 मिनट लिखिए, बट लिखिए. And the second very easy method that you can do, that you need to remind yourself that your target is to improve your English language skills, not to be a perfect English speaker, because nobody is perfect. Because remember, your goal is to develop a writing habit to improve your English language skills, not to create a masterpiece. So that's it for today, guys. I hope that I have done my best to motivate you to improve your English language skills. Do share your thoughts and experience in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.